Saima Sheikh runs this school for poor children from a 2-room apartment in Lahore. The 33-year-old mother is one of the thousands of Pakistani women who started small businesses with interest-free loans that abide by Islamic law or Sharia. In Islam, paying or charging interest is forbidden because it's believed to promote injustice and inequality in society. Islamic microfinance institutions provide loans through different arrangements that eliminate interest, such as profit and loss sharing or lending with small charges to cover administrative costs. Saima used microfinance outlet Akhuvat, which has provided Sharia-compliant financial services to more than 1 million poor households in Pakistan.
बच्चों की पढ़ाई के लिए सीने खोल दे। आमीन। ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पेपर की तैयारी करने की तौफीक अता फरमाए।
Saima was 22 years old when she was married to her cousin by her parents. 2 years later, when she was pregnant with her second child, she says her husband abandoned her and her 1-year-old daughter.
Circumstances तो very worse थे. Being a mother, अब 2 बच्चों का साथ भी था मेरे और बेटा जो था आफ्टर 4 मंथ डिलीवर हुआ था तो उसमें मेरे हस्बैंड जब गए हैं मुझे छोड़ के तो डेप्ट भी था, कोई 80,000 का डेप्ट था और बच्चे भी साथ थे तो ये सारे सर्कमस्टांसेस मेरे हालात मेरे काबू से बिल्कुल बाहर थे.
After struggling to repay a debt with traditional microloans, Saima borrowed around $100 from Akhuvat to start Al Fatima Academy, a school for poor children in her neighborhood. Today, Saima is teaching English, mathematics and sciences to more than 40 students here.
Being a Muslim, हम शरीयत जो है ना हमें एक लिमिट देती है उस दायरे के अंदर रहकर हमने अपनी लाइफ को स्पेंड करना है. मेरा तो ज़हन इस चीज़ पे मुतमईन होता है कि जो इस लिमिट में रह के काम किया जाए वो बेहतर है जिससे अल्लाह और अल्लाह का रसूल खुश रहें, हमसे राज़ी रहें. जो सबसे मेन बात है इस लोन की उसमें यह है कि ये विदाउट इंटरेस्ट है और कोई बैंक की कटौती नहीं होती है. जो इंश्योरेंस की फ़ीस ली जाती है बाकी फ्रांसिस जो हैं उसमें 1500 2000 लोन के हिसाब से चल रहा होता है. यहाँ बहुत कम इंश्योरेंस की फ़ीस ली जाती है. बस ये बहुत से फ़ायदे हैं. कराची, लाहौर, इस्लामाबाद, पेशावर, कोयटा and मुज़फ़्फ़राबाद.
With her monthly income of around $200, she's able to provide for her family. She also was able to borrow more money from Akhuvat.
जब मैं चलती हूँ मुझे बिल्कुल बड़ा फील कर रही होती हूँ कि मैं कुछ हूँ, मैं उस टीचर हूँ. ये मेरी पर्ची मैंने किस जमा करवानी है 2050 450
Microfinance companies, including Akhuvat, have seen increasing popularity in recent years. But the services they offer are still new and reach less than 20% of Pakistani families that need them. Akhuvat's interest-free model also makes it run a tight operation. Its average loan amount of 25,000 rupees or $240 is 30% smaller than some other microfinance organizations in Pakistan. The growth and sustainability of Akhuvat's Sharia-based microfinance model also depends on steady donations from both the state and the private sector because the organization collects minimal fee from borrowers. Akhuvat charges a loan application fee of about $2 and a 1% insurance fee, which amounts to $2.30 for the average loan amount. It also encourages borrowers to donate money to help facilitate more loans.
If we want to upscale Sharia compliant finance, then the role of State Bank and role of the state are very, very critical. So without that, you cannot give a real impetus to this.
Pakistan's government is taking note. With a majority of Muslim population, the success of religious lending is expected to become bigger in the coming years.
मेरा नाम सबिहा बेगम है। मेरी उम्र 58 साल है। टेलरिंग का काम है, मैं सिलाई करती हूँ, उसी से मेरी गुजर बसर है। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मेरा बहुत अच्छा काम चलता है।
Ms. Begum borrowed around $300 this year to buy more cloth for her tailoring business. She says she will pay the remaining amount of $70 in the next 3 months.
तो वो सूद वाली में जितने भी मिल जाए तो उसमें बरकत तो कोई नहीं है और ना मज़ा आता खर्च करने में। जिस भी मकसद के लिए लिया मेरा वो मकसद पूरा हुआ। मैंने अगर मकान के लिए लिया अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मैं मकान छुड़ा सके इजीली।
Like Sabiha Begum, Akhuvat's trustworthy clients have already started receiving bigger loans. But once clients are successful in repaying a small loan, they start qualifying for bigger ones. Saima plans to apply for another loan from Akhuvat to buy more furniture and blackboards for her school. Out of the $400 she borrowed 5 months ago, she has already repaid $100. She says now she has also started helping others by donating some of her own money through Akhuvat.
इसका सिस्टम ये है कि हमने 5 रुपीज़ अपने जहन के मुताबिक डेली अपने सेविंग करनी है, तो ताकि हम भी कुछ ऐसा कंट्रीब्यूशन हमारा भी हो जाए कि चलो जो ये पैसे जा रहे हैं किसी और के भी काम आ जाए।